We finally caught you. Leave the child alone. Who the hell are you? Let's just say, your worst nightmare. You shouldn't have come after people. I told you. I warned you. I guess you never listen, eh? Pathetic. What the fuck? Hey, kid. You okay? Sorry I had to witness that. Jesus Christ. Bloody hell. Bloody hell. I can't believe I had to do that in front of a child. But they deserved it. They always did. I'm not gonna hurt you. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hurt you at all. Come here real quick. I'm gonna try and keep you safe. So, not snapping again. It's hard, I suppose. There's people are mean people. I think you've got that already. But you do not want to be associated with them. They kidnapped me like 3 years ago now. Roughing it about. God. I made sure to wipe them out. How are there still more? They're probably all waiting for their men to get back. Looks like they're not going to be able to. You seem lost. Were you alone by any chance? And you stumbled across those men? Had a feeling. You're never caught when you're in family. That's how I was caught. I was alone. In this exact forest, to be honest. I like it here. It's calm, cooling sometimes. Yeah, it's not really known to have people in it, but yeah, there are some things that are nice about this place. But I'm guessing that your family don't like you or just don't want you to be around them. Yeah, I have a feeling. You can stay with me if you want, kid. Don't have to if you don't want to. I can keep you safe for the night until I get you back to civilization. Then you can come back if you ever wanted to. I'm always here. I've never left ever since I escaped a year ago. Those stupid idiots do not learn any lesson after I've given them one. Jesus. Okay, just come closer, if you will. I'll try and keep you safe, like I mentioned. Do you like being up high, or do you prefer to stay on the ground? The ground? Okay. I'll, just let me grab you with my tail so you don't get lost. You shouldn't really grab me by my hands. You got blood all over them. Yeah, my hands are bloody from those evil people. God, I've never spoken to a child since I got kidnapped. You seem nice. What's your name? Lion? That's a lovely name. Yeah, okay. I think I can take you to the house the cottage. Yeah, because that's where I've been hanging out for a while. Come on, let's go. We're here. How's it, I know it's not much, but it gets the job done. Do you like it? I know it's not the highest quality, but like I said, gets the job done. Keeps you safe, keeps you warm, and any predators that are around. If there's anything, yes, I am a predator, but I'm one that can actually control themselves, and not just hunting wildly. I at least have a guilty conscience. Oh, yeah, I just realized there's no bed. Great, You can rest on me if you want. It's been a long day, Let me just get comfortable on this stupid floor. Okay. Come on. Don't worry, I'm keeping you safe, kid. Nothing's gonna hurt you here, not even me. Oh, why would I hurt you? You're a child. Children are just living their lives. I shouldn't hurt them. I don't get why people hurt them. Heck, even do anything with them. Except take care of them. You guys are just innocent youth. Something that shouldn't be harmed. Yet there are horrible, horrible people like those men who want to take you and use you as weapons. Sorry, getting rid of myself. Just come on. I'll get some rest. I'll try and keep you safe.